If you're working on a Volkswagen Passat, this model here is a 2012 to be specific, and I was having a problem with this rear bushing piece coming out of the window. It's the nylon natural color. You can see it right there where my finger is. Yeah, I can't really get further back. I just got it in there, but I just wanted to show how to get that in the window and get it tight and flush, like that. So I was trying screwdrivers and dumb shit like that, and that wasn't working. So I ended up getting this crowbar of mine with a 90-degree angle on it. What you're gonna want to do is get it, just get the tip there right on it, and then what I did was push back as far as it'll go. And what happens here is this pushes the entire door framing, even the metal part of the door here, in the middle there, because it's it's kind of thin and a little flexible. So then what you want to do, I don't really have two hands here. Well, I only have two hands here, so while you got that in there like that, you can take your hand and jab on the door like that, and the pressure of the crowbar here and pushing against and outwards, and the pressure of you pushing your hand and smacking it there will push that little nylon bushing in the hole and make it flush for the window, so your window will stay held in. So anyways, that's how you do that.